The United Arab Emirates kicked off 2026 with great economic news. The non-oil private sector, covering shops, hotels, and tech firms, is booming. Businesses are reporting higher sales and growing confidence. This marks the fastest growth in nearly 2 years, signaling a robust economy. For decades, the UAE relied on oil, but leaders have pushed for a more diverse economy. The latest data shows this strategy is working. Non-oil sectors are now driving growth. This means more jobs and opportunities for people across the country. The improvement is significant, not just a small uptick. Data from January 2026 highlights strong sales, new orders, and busy companies. Growth is widespread, not limited to a few industries. This broad-based expansion paints a picture of a vibrant, dynamic economy. It's a sharp turnaround from the slower pace seen in mid-2025. Now, businesses are seeing their fastest sales growth in almost 2 years. The strong domestic market is a key factor. UAE residents are spending more. This surge is helping businesses of all sizes thrive. Companies' efforts to attract customers are clearly paying off. The UAE's economic engine is running at full speed, with momentum building for the year ahead. The country is proving it can succeed beyond oil, setting the stage for a prosperous future. To measure economic health, experts use the Purchasing Managers' Index, or PMI. The PMI is a simple number based on monthly surveys of business managers. A score above 50 means growth, below 50 means contraction. In January 2026, the UAE's PMI jumped to 54.9, the highest in 11 months. This strong score signals robust expansion in the non-oil sector. For business leaders, a high PMI means confidence to hire and invest. For the government, it's proof that diversification efforts are working. For everyday people, it often means more jobs and economic stability. The PMI is based on real data from businesses across the country. It's a reliable snapshot of current economic conditions. The strong PMI reflects the energy and optimism seen in UAE's business centers. It's a clear sign the economy is on track for a successful year. Business leaders, policymakers, and citizens all look to the PMI for guidance. With a PMI of 54.9, the UAE's non-oil sector is not just growing, it's thriving. This momentum is fueling confidence and setting the tone for the months ahead. A surge in new orders is driving the UAE's economic momentum. January 2026 saw the fastest growth in new orders in nearly 2 years. Most of these orders are from within the UAE, showing strong domestic demand. Businesses are successfully attracting local customers with new products and services. International sales are growing too, but domestic demand is the main engine. A strong local market gives businesses stability and confidence. The sharp rise in sales means companies are busier than ever. This activity boosts revenue, supports hiring, and encourages investment. The positive cycle of demand and growth is fueling optimism. Companies are seeing their efforts pay off as customers respond enthusiastically. The UAE's non-oil sector is thriving thanks to this surge in orders and sales. Business leaders are confident about the future. The strong sales performance is a clear sign of a healthy, expanding economy. The UAE's domestic market is proving to be a powerful growth driver. Real estate and technology are leading the UAE's non-oil growth. The real estate sector is booming, with new construction and strong demand for property. This creates jobs and signals investor confidence. The technology sector is also thriving, fueled by government support and innovation. Tech startups and established firms are flocking to the UAE, creating high-skilled jobs. Growth in these sectors benefits other industries, from suppliers to service providers. The government's focus on real estate and tech is paying off, attracting global investment. These sectors are modernizing the economy and preparing it for the future. Their success is lifting the entire non-oil sector. Real estate and technology are now pillars of the UAE's economic transformation. With demand surging, Companies are ramping up their purchasing. January 2026 saw the sharpest rise in buying activity in over 6 years. Firms are building up inventories, confident that strong sales will continue. Stocking up ensures they can meet customer demand quickly. This wave of purchasing boosts the entire supply chain, creating more business for suppliers. The high level of activity shows companies are planning for growth. It's a major shift from previous caution, reflecting renewed optimism. Businesses are investing in their future, ready to seize new opportunities. The UAE's non-oil sector is preparing for sustained expansion. Supply chains in the UAE are running more smoothly than ever. January 2026 saw the fastest delivery times in over 6 years. Faster deliveries mean companies can operate more efficiently and meet demand. The UAE's investment in world-class infrastructure is paying off. Efficient logistics attract international business and support local growth. Improved supply chains reduce delays and costs for companies. Businesses can now fulfill orders quickly, keeping customers satisfied. This efficiency is a key strength of the UAE's economy. The smooth flow of goods is fueling the current economic boom. Supply chain performance is a major pillar of the UAE's non-oil growth. Despite the good news, rising input costs are a challenge for UAE businesses. January 2026 saw the fastest increase in costs in 18 months, yet companies are keeping their selling prices stable to stay competitive. Many are accepting lower profit margins rather than passing costs to customers. This strategy helps maintain market share and customer loyalty. It also keeps inflation in check, benefiting consumers. Businesses are focused on long-term growth, not just short-term profits. Managing costs efficiently is now a top priority. The competitive market is pushing firms to innovate and streamline operations. UAE companies are balancing growth with smart cost management. This approach is helping sustain the economic momentum. The economic boom is creating more jobs in the UAE's non-oil sector. Employment levels rose in January 2026, a positive sign for job seekers. Even a small increase in hiring helps companies manage rising workloads. New staff are easing pressure and preventing backlogs. The growth in unfinished work has slowed to its softest pace in 2 years. Companies are expanding capacity to keep up with demand. This balance ensures efficient operations and high-quality service. The labor market is flexible and dynamic, supporting ongoing growth. More jobs mean more opportunities for the workforce. Businesses are confident, and hiring is likely to continue. The UAE's non-oil sector is building a strong foundation for the future. The strong start to 2026 has filled UAE businesses with optimism. Confidence is at a 15-month high, driven by rising sales and robust demand. Companies are planning to expand, invest, and hire more staff. This forward-looking attitude is fueling a cycle of growth and opportunity. Business leaders expect the positive momentum to continue in the coming months. Economists see the UAE's diversification strategy as a clear success. The focus on real estate, technology, and a strong domestic market is paying off. The non-oil sector is experiencing its best growth in nearly 2 years. High PMI scores and booming sales show the economy is on solid ground. While challenges remain, businesses are managing them wisely. With confidence high and expansion underway, the UAE's future looks bright. The nation is building a diverse, resilient, and prosperous economy.